One easy step in losing weight. Now, I lost over 60 kilograms, which is over 132 pounds. Now, this was definitely a contribution in my journey. And the first thing I'll do is wake up, get 250 milliliters of water, squeeze some lemon into that water until you see it tinted and you can see the lemon particles in there floating around. And I'll basically just drink that first thing in the morning. Now, if you're unsure and you don't know how much lemon to put in, to make it even more easier, you can actually get 1 litre of water, which is a lot more than this, squeeze half a lemon into that water, and drink 250 milliliters and then leave the rest in the fridge for each morning. Now, you want to have this at least 30 to 45 minutes before you do have your breakfast. You can wait longer than that if you want, that's totally up to you. And what that basically does, and the reason why we're doing this, is because it speeds up your metabolism. Now, you may have gone out with your friends and had meals, and next day you may have gained some weight like me. I would wake up and I would eat the same things that my friend's having, but I would wake up gaining weight and they've not gained anything. And I'm like, what am I doing wrong? What's wrong with my body? There's nothing wrong with our body. The only thing was that my metabolism was a lot slower than theirs. So then we have to find somehow to speed it up. Now, one way to speed it up is just by having some lemon water. Now, if you have that lemon water each morning for 2 weeks, it's because you only want to do 2 weeks and have a 2-week break. What that will do is it will speed up your metabolism. So it will burn the food that you eat, break it down, and it will burn it a lot more faster. So it will speed up your metabolism, which is going to break your food down a lot faster. Now, because of that, when you do have your food, you will burn the food a lot faster than what you was doing. But also, it has fat loss remedies, so it also burns fat. So you could be sitting there doing nothing, and because you had lemon water in the morning, you're losing weight. Your body's working, it's burning fat, it's burning the food, it's breaking it down faster. Now, that's not the only thing lemon water does do. It provides so many other benefits. I mean, it makes your immune system stronger. It cleanses and detoxes your body. It also boosts your concentration and focus. So yeah, it has many other qualities than that, as in it is high in vitamin C. But you can also always have a read if you are interested on how many more benefits it provides, because it does provide a lot more. But the last tip I will surely give is to use a straw. Please do use a straw, as what this will basically do, it will make sure that your teeth do not get damaged by the acid, and it will basically mean you are getting maximum benefits from the lemon water and you're not having any negatives at all because you're using a straw and it's not damaging your teeth. Now, this was definitely the first step that I always do in the morning, and I will be posting more content showing more things on how to lose weight. So please feel free to subscribe, and I'll be pushing out more content to show how I lost that much weight. Thanks so much. All the best.